Chicken Schnitzel and Lingonberries. A taste of Germany.
Take 300 grams of boneless chicken breasts.
Slice the chicken breasts horizontally into thin and even cutlets. Cover the chicken and gently pound it until it becomes flat and even. Season both sides of the chicken with half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Arrange 3 bowls and add half a cup of all-purpose flour into the first bowl.
Crack 2 fresh eggs into the second bowl, one by one, then whisk until smooth.
Pour 1 cup of fine breadcrumbs into the third bowl and prepare the coating station.
Take the prepared chicken and coat it thoroughly in the flour, then gently shake off the excess.
Take the floured chicken and dip it completely into the whisked eggs until evenly coated.
Transfer the chicken into the breadcrumbs and press gently until it is fully and evenly coated.
Place a frying pan on the cooktop and pour 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil into the hot pan.
Carefully place the breaded chicken into the hot oil and begin frying.
Flip the chicken and fry until both sides become beautifully golden brown and crispy. Remove the chicken from the pan and place it on a wire rack so the excess oil can drain properly. Plate the schnitzel. Garnish it with fresh lemon slices and parsley and serve hot. Your crispy chicken schnitzel is ready. Take 2 cups of fresh lingonberries. Add half a cup of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to the lingonberries. Stir the mixture gently over medium heat until the sugar dissolves and the berries release their juices. Simmer for about 10 minutes and gently press some berries until the jam becomes thick and glossy. Pour the hot lingonberry jam into a clean glass jar and allow it to cool completely. Serve the fresh lingonberry jam beside your hot, crispy chicken schnitzel and enjoy.